In this tutorial, I'm going to go through the basic features of CADET-Lite. CADET-Lite allows you to build your project in the background while you still keep working. So to do that, we go to Tools, Covine, Cadet. And the first thing you need to do is create a new profile. So we click the New button, we give it a name. We'll call this Tutorial Cadet. We select the target operating system. So this is the operating system that you are targeting for your game. You can choose Windows, Mac, or both. If your target operating system is Mac, it's highly recommended that you build on a Mac as well. You specify the editor executable path. So this is the editor that will build your project. Obviously your project must have the correct Unity editor for your project to be built. The source project path, so this is the project path that you will be building from, and the sync project path. So this is the project path where all of your source files will be copied and built in the background. So we hit the browse button and create ourselves a new place to house our synchronized copy of the project, and we want to call this test cadet tutorial. Select that folder, and the last thing is the build executable name. So this is the name of the executable that will be distributed finally. We hit save on that, and now you have the option in CADET-Lite to create a Unity build. So when I hit this execute button, it will do a full sync of my project to that target directory. If you have got a large project, you can use Git Sync, which is a pro feature, and we'll discuss that in a later tutorial. We hit OK, it'll copy all those files over, and then we can monitor the build just by clicking this Monitor Unity Log button. As you can see, the build has started. Depending on the size of your build, it can take some time. But in the meantime, I can actually create a new script here if I'd like to. That's no problem. Unity may also recompile itself. Okay, so obviously there's been an error in the script there, but I can delete that. The project will recompile. That's fine. And you'll see the build is still happening in our synchronized directory. So now that the build is finished, it'll have an exit code of 0. If it did not complete successfully, you'll get a different exit code with probably an error. So once that's completed, it can take a bit of time for the process to complete. So we just wait until the building status has changed. And as you can see, it's now completed, and once it's completed we can click the Open Build folder button, and that will show our build in our directory. And that's how you use CADET-Lite.